Hello and welcome, Jeff Arnold from Oxford Bathrooms. We've just finished this cloakroom cum shower room in Summertown. Initially it was all fully tiled, and what we've done to give it a more spacious feel, we've just fully tiled inside the shower with half tiling behind the WC and the wash basin. The wash basin itself is now fitted inside a vanity cupboard, allowing for storage space and adding all the tidiness to it. What you're looking at now was a fully tiled wall, which is now just fully plastered, and we've had the pleasure of decorating as well. There's a bar shower with a flexible hose working from the combi boiler, and to finish things off there's an extractor fan to help remove some of the moisture. As I say, this is Jeff Arnold finishing a cloakroom cum shower room in Summertown, Oxford. Thank you.